Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please hit that subscribe button below. And if you're looking to find out how to make this music plaque here, then stay tuned. These are all the materials you're going to need. This is some sticker paper. I got this from Amazon, but I believe Walmart and Hobby Lobby and maybe even Michael's has it. It's just standard sticker paper. So what you're going to do with that is just print the picture for the album cover on that to stick in the middle. And then this picture frame I got from Dollar Tree. It's an 8x10. It was only $1, of course. And they have a whole bunch of different sizes. But all you're going to need is the glass part of that. And, of course, some vinyl. This is 651 Oracle vinyl. I think that's how you say it. And it was only like $2 a sheet from Michael's. They have a whole bunch of different colors as well. And of course you're going to need a Cricut machine. You can also use the Silhouette or Cameo, whatever they're called. But in this tutorial I will be showing how to use the Cricut Design Space and all that since I have a Cricut. So yeah, you're going to need one of those as well. So guys, you're going to want to go to Google and type in like a Spotify song queue or Spotify song bar or whatever. And then you're going to save that image, and then you're going to upload it into your Cricut Design Space, and then you're just going to crop out the background and all that. So then when you upload it, all you have to fix is the song name, and everything else is already ready for you. So right now I am just taking the background of it out, so all I have to worry about is the letters and stuff.